Hey everyone, today we are diving deep into the wild and wonderful world of love. Yeah, that's right, love. And no, I'm not about to hit you with the cliches, but let's talk about something crucial: fear and love. Sounds intense, right? Well, hang on, because it's about to get interesting. Now, first things first, love is not all sunshine and rainbows, is it? Sometimes it's a bit like stepping into the unknown. You know that feeling when you meet someone special but suddenly find yourself nitpicking at every little thing they do? Yeah, that's more common than you might think. Ever heard of philophobia? No, it's not the fear of your Uncle Phil. It's actually an overwhelming fear of falling in love. Crazy, right? Turns out it can mess with your mental health and how you handle relationships. Now picture this. Your childhood experiences might shape how you deal with love now. Anxious mom, distant dad, those early relationships can become a roadmap for your grown-up love life. And here's the kicker. Ever caught yourself being overly critical of your partner? Like finding faults when there are not any? Yep, that might be your inner critic acting up. The more you judge yourself, the more you will nitpick at others. Not a great cycle, right? Oh, and ever had that roller coaster of excitement and doubt after a great date? That's the fear of love creeping in, making you question something good when it's right there in front of you. Sneaky, right? But here is the thing. Fear of love can make you keep things bottled up. You become a pro at being passive-aggressive instead of speaking your mind. It's like you are afraid to ask for what you want, and that can keep relationships on the surface, never really diving deep. But let's not forget the big picture here. Love is a risk worth taking. Sure, it might be sting if things don't work out. But isn't it better to have loved and lost than to never have loved at all? Love is this incredible journey that challenges us to become selfless and brave. So, what about you? Do any of these signs strike a chord? Ever felt these things in your own relationships? Hey, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And remember, you matter always. If this resonated with you or you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more heartfelt discussions. Alright, let's keep this love train rolling.